Hello guys, Happy New Year! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you another super simple wall decor DIY project. This is the finished look. If you're interested, please keep watching. For this DIY project, all you need is a plaque and some eggs. The one I used is a 12 by 12 plaque, which I got from Michael's a couple months ago. The first step is to prepare the eggshells. As you can see from the video, we only need the half of the eggshell. So please make sure you want to use the relatively large and flat hand, not the small and relatively narrow hand. This is how the half eggshell looks after washing and drying. I first painted the exterior of the eggshell into white color, but if you're using white egg, you pretty much can skip this step. For the interior of the eggshell, I decided to use the gold color. This is how the inside of the eggshell looks after gold painting. The next step is to glue those eggshells onto the plaque. I kind of randomly laid out those eggshells, but you can decide the pattern which you want. Now let's check out the final product. This decor turns out surprisingly good. It looks very elegant to me. I really love it. If you also like it, don't forget to subscribe and like. It will help to grow my channel. This is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.